Welcome to the kitchen. Today we're going to make something called kefta. I never heard of it, but it's something like a hamburger patty. We had a potluck at work and the guy told me the ingredients on making this, and so I thought I'd give it a try and see if I can make it. He said it was quick and easy and everybody at the job site seemed to like it, so we're gonna give it a shot. Besides that, I'm so hungry. If it's quick and easy, it's for me. So we'll get these ingredients out the way. He didn't give me really any measurements except for the cumin, which is a tablespoon. So if you have a tablespoon of cumin and a half a cup of breadcrumbs, any flavor you like. We're using garlic and herb. And then a pound of beef. We're using quality beef. No antibiotics. No added hormones. Vegetable diet. And we're going to mix all this together in this bowl. Make a patty, fry it up, and we're done. So the only question I have is, how many ounces is in a half a cup? Do you know? Alexa, how many ounces is in a half a cup?
Half cup is 4 ounces.
Okay, she says it's 4 ounces, so we will do 4 ounces of that. This is 7.5, so we'll do about half of that. All right, let's get to mixing. Make sure you clean your hands because you got to put your hands in the bowl. This is no spoon stirring up in here. Next, you want to decide how you're going to fry this up. Is it going to be on the grill and grilled? Are you going to use a cast iron skillet with these grills? Or are you going to use a George Foreman grill? I'll let that audience decide. Okay, so the audience have decided we'll use the George Foreman grill. Darn it, and I love my cast iron skillet, but it didn't win this time. Okay, if you haven't used your George Foreman grill in a while, just remember you gotta let it heat up. You can't see it, but there is some steam coming off. Make sure you pre-oil it. Get your oil on there, and then put your burgers on. Make sure you use your drip pan. You don't want that stuff all over your counter. And dinner's almost ready. Just let George do his thing. Now that looks pretty good. Now because I had to wing it because I didn't really get measurements for everything, I'm going to have to try this one on camera and let you know what I really think. So it's pretty juicy. I went well done, but hot. I feel that cool off. Woo. Maybe a little more salt. Other than that, perfect. Thanks for watching.